Greetings everyone, MJ here back with another video, and I'm here to discuss, hey, Young Pharaoh, right? He has more money than Elon Musk, Warren Buffett. He's a banker, he's a rapper, he's spiritual, he's a teacher, he's an influencer. I mean, the list goes on, right? So in this video, I want to talk about 2 points. One of them being that Young Pharaoh is really behaving like Uncle Ruckus or Clay Bixby. And another point is what's up with this tick he has. Like it's some kind of weird sound he just keeps making. But before we get into that point, let's talk about him being Uncle Ruckus. Now, obviously, if you're watching this video, you keep up with what's going on with Young Pharaoh or you're interested in it. So I noticed lately in the last few weeks, he keeps going on about how the white man always been there for him. The white man ain't never done him wrong, yada, yada, yada. And he's putting out black people every chance he gets. He's saying he don't want to date black women. Like, okay, bro, cool. I'm sure sisters are going to be glad because, I mean, really, who wants to date you? Maybe some strange women would, but no, thank you. You're just unstable. You're a lot. I don't know who want to deal with your fuckery. But yeah, he's putting out black people every chance he gets. And I know he claims he went to Costa Rica. I personally don't believe it. Let's talk about it in the comments. Let me know if you believe he actually went to Costa Rica. But he's around these white people. Um, and I noticed a lot of people, well, a few people. I won't necessarily say a lot, but in these YouTube streets, people are saying he's under some kind of mind control, MK Ultra or something like that. And I'm like, you know what? Y'all might be on to something with this dude because one moment he seems like he's okay. Next moment he's spazzing out on his children's mothers. Then he's just saying all this crazy stuff, talking about, oh, I didn't shoot at Golden's house. I did shoot at Golden's house. Oh, I want to be a reality TV star. Oh, this is just entertainment. Like, he's just so unstable. He's all over the place. I don't know if he's trying to break free from the programming or what is going on with this guy and all the. Y'all refresh my memory. Let me know. I'm trying to think before his channel was taken down, before that channel was terminated, where he had like, what, 500,000 subscribers. I do not remember him being this much of a coon. Y'all let me know. I don't remember. I could, but I know I forget some things. So let me know. Was he really talking this negatively about black people like he is now, especially going in on black women? And I swear that's all a lot of brothers do lately, just go in on black women. But when, I don't know if he's doing this because he's people, and if he's traveling or whatever he's doing, these white people obviously giving him money. So we don't know if you bending it over for the white man. You say he never done you wrong, but this looks rather suspicious. As Umar would say, this is rather suspicious. So y'all let me know what y'all think about that because I just think he's like, he's such a joke. He just seems, I just don't understand. And then another thing, this guy, he's so smart, right? He's a billionaire, trillionaire, whatever, making more than Elon Musk, Warren Buffett, you name it. Jeff Bezos, you name it. But his vocabulary is not that expansive. He says he has all these books. He shows us his library. It doesn't seem like he reads those books. It's the way this guy moves out here. I'm just wondering, like, let's say if he is under some kind of programming, like, what's the purpose of using this guy? You know, I'm just trying to figure out, like, why him? What is he supposed to do? Because he says he doesn't rock with the conscious community, but he claims he's spiritual. So what the fuck are you? Like, you don't rock with the conscious community. You have issues with black people. The white man ain't never done you wrong. They don't ask us for nothing. You know, whatever. But enough about that. Let's get into this noise, this tick thing he got going on. To me, it sounds like he's making a sound as if someone's passing gas or opening a can of soda, but he just keeps doing it. Like it's like he cannot control it. Um, it's weird. So let's check it out. Let's check it out. And before I do that, y'all, thanks for watching this video. As we're watching this, hey, hit that like, subscribe if you haven't already. You know the deal.
Him at the chip too. But wait a minute, one of my other favorites, I'm not gonna take y'all this way, but that's the guest bedroom and the guest bathroom up in there. That's all y'all need to know. That's two. That's another. Wait a minute. And then
Okay, that's the sound I'm talking about. So just pay attention as we watch this video. Pay attention to how often he makes this sound. Let's try to figure out. Do you think he's volunteering doing this, or can he not control it?
this is massage. Hold on, wait a minute, because this is about close as you niggas could get. This is about close as you gonna ever get to having a massage room in your house. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. You know why? Because you ain't never been to the chip.
Okay, again, now he's talking down on us, talking about we can't have a massage room in our house. I guess we just supposed to be just broke, losers, destitute. But he's the only black person in North America that's doing well, apparently. And again, y'all heard that noise.
You ain't never been to the chip. You ain't never been to the chip. Wait a minute. You ain't never been to the chip.
I'm really starting to believe that the chip is bending it over and busting it open for the white man. That's just my thought. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Like, what the hell is a chip?
Then we got more bathrooms. Oh Lord. Another room. Another room. This is an empty. I ain't even using it. This has got my kid. Okay. Hold on. Gotta stay secured. That's me and my babies. That's for little Zoli was born. That's me and little Ruru, little Chunkin when she was just a Chunkin. Okay, hold on, wait a minute. Let me take y'all to my baby's room. You know what I'm saying? They got their own room with the positive growth as a mindset. You know what I'm saying? Positive affirmations. You know what I'm saying? I come in here and play teacher with my kids. The solar system, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn.
You don't even know the damn solar system. But yeah, what's up with this sound? Do y'all think he's doing it on purpose, or can he not control it? And yeah, I mean, what's up with this sound? I'm on the thought process that he cannot control it.
Uranus, Neptune, you know what I'm saying? I don't need to look at that to do that. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, what? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. You know what I'm saying? Hydrogen, helium.
Let's clap for him. He knows some planets. Let's give him a hand clap. Yay, Marshall, Genie, yay. Okay.
Beryllium, lithium, beryllium. You know what I'm saying? I don't need to look at that to do that. I ain't gonna take y'all in the guess. Don't worry about it. Hold on, I gotta run y'all around here. We living good over here at Nation, get money. That's what we doing. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, we don't get dressed around the house. But when we pop, we pop.